Hi guys, welcome to this class. Today we're going to learn about may and might as modal verbs to express probability or to make predictions in English. Okay, may and might are modal verbs and they are frequently used in English language to indicate a hypothetical situation. In other words, a situation that could be possible. Here we have some examples to make you comprehend how these modal verbs work. They may forgive me. That means that it's possible or probable that they forgive me. We're making a possible prediction of the future. She may decide to travel to Spain. That means that it's possible or probable that she travels to Spain. He may accept your request. That means that it's possible or probable that he accepts your request. We're talking about probability or possibility for making predictions of what is going to happen in the future. When we use may and might, we are making reference to the probability of doing something and not to the ability, in which case the right modal verb would be can. We should see the difference for avoiding making mistakes while we are talking in English. If we're talking about ability, something that we can do, something that we have the ability of doing, we should use can. May and might are related because they have the same meaning and use, although may indicates a higher degree of certainty, a superior degree of certainty. Here we have an example of the percentages of possibility of certainty that may and might express. Here we have the first sentence. She may help me tomorrow. We have more certainty that she helps me tomorrow. A 100% certainty. Now, in the second sentence, they might visit the hospital this afternoon. We have less certainty that they visit the hospital this afternoon because they are not completely sure about it. It's more or less a 60% of certainty. May and might are also used for making requests in a formal and polite way, being might the more polite term. May I use your telephone, please? That is a polite sentence. But if we use might instead, might I use your telephone, please? It sounds more polite, more formal. Here we have the structures in affirmative, negative, and interrogative form for using the modal verbs may and might. In affirmative form, we have the subject plus the modal verbs may or might, the verb in infinitive, and the complement, as we can see in this example. She may or she might apologize her friend. In the negative form, we have subject plus may or might plus the negative particle not plus the verb in infinitive and the complement, as we can see in this example. She may or she might not apologize her friend. Finally, for the interrogative form, we start with the modal verbs may or might plus subject plus the verb in infinitive, the complement, and obviously the question mark that should never be missed. May or might she apologize her friend? Okay guys, this is all. Thank you so much for paying attention, and I really hope you liked the class. See you next time. Bye bye.